It is the most frustrating law of home ownership. You wipe a shelf clean, it shines. You walk away. 2 days later, you look at it, and there is already a fine gray layer of filth covering it again. It feels like the house is generating dirt. And the disturbing truth is, it is. If you analyze a sample of household dust under a microscope, you won't just find dirt from outside. Depending on the study, you will find that a significant percentage of that gray fluff is actually you. Human beings are essentially shedding machines. Every hour, you lose about 200 million dead skin cells. Over a year, you shed roughly 8 pounds of skin. That is the weight of a standard bowling ball, ground up into a fine powder and sprinkled over your furniture. But knowing what it is doesn't explain why it sticks to everything. For that, we have to look at physics. Have you ever noticed that dust loves electronics? Your TV screen, your computer monitor, and your stereo speakers are always the dustiest things in the room. This is due to something called the Triboelectric effect. Dust particles are incredibly light. As they float through the air, they rub against air molecules and pick up a static electric charge. Plastic surfaces and glass screens also hold a static charge. So your TV isn't just sitting there, it is acting like a giant electrostatic magnet, actively pulling those dead skin cells out of the air and gluing them to the screen. The second culprit is your airflow. Most modern homes are designed to be airtight for energy efficiency. This is great for your heating bill, but terrible for dust. In an old, drafty house, fresh air blows through and carries dust out. In a modern, sealed home, the air is just recirculated. Your HVAC system sucks the air in, cools it, and blows it right back out. If you use cheap fiberglass air filters, the ones you can see through, you aren't filtering anything. You are just creating a dust cannon that redistributes your own skin cells into every room of the house, 24 hours a day. So how do you fix it? You can buy a HEPA filter, which is dense enough to trap skin cells. You can increase the humidity, which weighs the particles down so they fall to the floor instead of floating. But the only way to truly stop dust is to stop being a human. As long as you are alive, you are shedding. So that gray layer on your bookshelf, it's just proof that you are still existing.